hindi madaling maging producer sa panahon na to. But there are so many na naniniwala at naninindigan na this is worth doing. So salute sa lahat ng mga producers. Sa mga nag-participate, maraming salamat at nandito pa tayo ngayon. Pero more than anything sa MMFF, thank you. Laging sinasabi ang MMFF tradition na. Pero these days, hindi siya tradition, lifeline siya ng industriya. In these uncertain times, the MMFF has become a beacon of hope for the industry. Kasi nakikita natin na may audience na, di ba, for most of the year, nag-aakala tayo na wala. Hindi na sila dumadating, marami na sila yung pinapanood. And then, last year's MMFF came along. And this proved everything. So kita natin, I mean, the fact that last year's MMFF was the biggest of them all is a sign to the whole industry na hindi, buhay na buhay. Kailangan lang talagang, bigyan ng dahilan, bigyan ng event para ma-excite ulit ang tao. And the MMFF is that. So maraming salamat sa MMFF. Maraming salamat sa buong team, sa Execom, sa Selection Committee. Because your job is not easy because ito kami, 70 film projects, came knocking, and I'm sure hindi yung madali na pasadahan lahat. And we appreciate the effort that you've been doing. But it's also encouraging all of us to bring out our best, diba? To do our best, to bring out something new, to excite the audience again. And so I think after 50 years, this is really a golden era for the MMFF.